Hey everybody, Justin Lobato here inside of the wonderful Autogeek Show Car Garage, as always, this beautiful place here in Palm City, Florida. But one of the biggest things I'm here to talk about is our mile mark that we hit 80,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now, as you guys know, Autogeek has been around 20 plus years. So with all of these platforms evolving on the media side of the industry, with things that you're able to have these platforms to produce videos and all this great content, you know, reaching 80,000 is a huge mile marker for us. And we thank each and every one of you who have subscribed, liked, and been part of the family and the journey, of course. Even myself as a professional detailer, you know, watching from the outside in with Autogeek has always been an amazing journey. However, today we are here to announce the winner of that 80,000 contest for the subscribers, of course. Now, with that, there were terms and conditions. Those terms and conditions were to mention a favorite product, why you use it, how you use it, and of course, what kind of videos you may want to see come from us, or a video idea that you may want to see come from us. And we have a winner. We picked a winner, and we're going to go ahead and also give that winner a prize. And that prize, well, wait a sec. We have to announce the winner, of course. That winner, drumroll, Sarah Riles. You, Sarah, were picked in an automated generated type system to say, I don't know, some of these electronics in your phones, whatever. That way you know it's randomly picked, which you'll see in the video. And the fact that you were picked, you hit the mark after we read your comment and exactly what the terms and conditions are. So congratulations to you. And of course, congratulations to everybody who took the time to participate. But Sarah, for you, what we have, as I pop the trunk, we have this beautiful DP bag. Inside the DP bag, as you mentioned products you enjoy on your posts, we have some others to complement that. And with everything in this bag, which let's talk first. Let's talk about this bag. As you see, you have some nice pockets on it. This thing is stout. You know, as a utility detailing bag to say, whatever you'd like to label it as, it has all and everything you need, all your pockets. It has a little hidden compartment in the bottom, which I'll open because we have some goodies inside there. But as you open the top, let's go down the line of what you're receiving as your prize, Sarah. You have DP ceramic wash, which will be great for before and after using the other products I'm going to mention here. You have DP ceramic paint sealant. Love this product, great product, easy to use. And then let me get into a little bit here, digging in. This is the key to prepping for a lot of the products that we have in this bag. This is DP's coating prep spray, an amazing product. And this is what you would use after washing the vehicle and or of course polishing the vehicle to prep the surface to apply the paint sealant. And then let me, wheel coating from DP, glass coating from DP, and then of course your dual action tire and wheel cleaner from DP as you're doing your wash method. So you've got all these great products that cover you in regards to protecting the complete outside of your vehicle. So you've got paint, you've got glass, you've got rims and tires, all covered here. You've got the Speedmaster wheel mitt, which is great when it comes to pairing it up with the dual action tire and wheel cleaner. You've got an assortment of towels to cover you from paint, glass, rims, and then, like I had mentioned earlier, the compartment as I move all these wonderful things. Look at this little hidden compartment here. Beautiful wash mitt, some applicators from Speedmaster. So as you can see, you've got the whole package here to provide a customer or a personal vehicle with some of the best protectants on the market. Now, when I say best, there's a category of premium, and that's where DP falls. And this is what you're getting as your prize for being a great winner for the contest for the 80,000 subscribers that we have now on YouTube. And of course, we're wanting to grow. So hopefully, Sarah, with the video that you talked about, that will also help us grow. That video request you had, if anybody hasn't seen it, it's basically more in depth about wet sanding and paint correction. So that's something that we'll take in-house, get some things put together for you, and we'll be able to cover both those subjects for you. Now, how in depth we go, well, we'll figure that out as we go. Maybe you could reach out to us and give us some more information on what you'd like to see, because that will help the other viewers, of course. And that's something that now with wet sanding, we'll touch on that, because obviously with factory paint, with it being thin, you got to be, it's a very advanced subject to say. Paint correction, on the other hand, there is a whole rabbit hole to go down with so many different products, pads, combinations, machines, you name it. But we could dial that in for you, and of course all the other viewers that would love to see that video. So here you have it. Sarah Riles is our wonderful winner. So congratulations for our 80K contest of subscribers and viewers. And so anybody else who's watched this, please like and subscribe on our YouTube page, because we would love to grow even further and just be the powerhouse of the industry like we always have here at Autogeek. So thank you for watching, and thank you, Sarah, and congratulations.